Kasus corona pertama di Indonesia.
Dua warga Indonesia yang positif terinfeksi virus corona disebut telah melakukan
penularan
jenis baru yang berada di
Indonesia.
Kembali
bertambah.
Dua orang terkonfirmasi positif COVID-19
bagaimana
masih terus
kemudian
bertambah.
testimoni
2 tahun
para
lamanya pandemi
penyintas
COVID-19 melanda Indonesia sejak Presiden Joko Widodo mengumumkan dua
Akhirnya
kasus
di tahun
pertama COVID-19
2022 ini
pada 2
Indonesia
Maret
menyatakan
2020
perdamaian
lalu.
dengan COVID-19.
Rumah sakit darurat.
Presiden Joko Widodo mengumumkan pelonggaran aturan memakai masker untuk masyarakat Indonesia. Kepala negara menjelaskan kebijakan pelonggaran.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are students of Uin Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta major mathematics. We get assignment from English subject with supervisor Mr. Walyadin to present the result of our discussion about the news that is currently hype. We are from Group 3, which consists of 6 members. We choose to discuss about post-check normal 2022 in Indonesia. But before that, let me introduce the members of Group 3 first. Intan Syafitri with student ID number 025. Resya Amanda Yura with student ID number 008. Becky Karina Sidi with student ID number 013. Nazla Putri Dwijani with student ID number 023. Zahra Tiffany Apriliana with student ID number 029. And the last one, Nadia Ripka Hairani with student ID number 041. In this presentation, we're going to discuss about post-check normal 2022 in Indonesia. But before that, I have some question for you guys. You can clearly answer the question if you know the answer. First question, do you know what is post-check normal? Second question, do you know in 2022 Indonesia has started another post-check normal? And the last question, do you think if post-check normal reinstated in Indonesia, it will be a good start for Indonesia after 2 years of pandemic? Yup, that's right, but for more clear, let's hear the explanation about post-check normal 2022 in Indonesia with Group 3 together.
As you all know, COVID-19 in Indonesia has started since March 2020 until now. Since then, our government and the Ministry of Health of Republic of Indonesia has warned us to do quarantine, staying at home, and some health protocols. But luckily, the COVID-19 cases in Indonesia is now drastically decreased, and because of that, our government has started another regulation for Indonesia to be in another new normal. So the first thing we're gonna discuss about what is post-new normal. So, post-new normal is a state to which reopening economic, social, and public activities while still using health protocols related to COVID-19. For example, work and school are divided into 2 sections. Some doing work and school at home like we are doing right now, and some doing work and school at the office or school. While the one who did the WFO or work from office must doing their job with health protocols. Here is the video of first statement of the President of Republic of Indonesia regarding the easing of using mask.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bapak, Ibu, dan saudara-saudara sekalian, dengan memperhatikan kondisi saat ini, di mana penanganan pandemi COVID-19 di Indonesia yang semakin terkendali, maka perlu saya menyampaikan beberapa hal. Yang pertama, pemerintah memutuskan untuk melonggarkan kebijakan pemakaian masker. Jika masyarakat sedang beraktivitas di luar ruangan atau di area terbuka yang tidak padat orang, maka diperbolehkan untuk tidak menggunakan masker. Namun, untuk kegiatan di ruangan tertutup dan transportasi publik tetap harus menggunakan masker. Bagi masyarakat yang masuk kategori rentan, lansia, atau memiliki penyakit komorbid, maka saya tetap menyarankan untuk menggunakan masker saat beraktivitas. Demikian juga bagi masyarakat yang mengalami gejala batuk dan pilek, maka tetap harus menggunakan masker ketika melakukan aktivitas. Yang kedua, bagi pelaku perjalanan dalam negeri dan luar negeri yang sudah mendapatkan dosis vaksinasi lengkap, maka sudah tidak perlu lagi untuk melakukan tes swab PCR maupun antigen. Demikian yang bisa saya sampaikan dalam kesempatan yang baik ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, about the second question, do you know in 2022 Indonesia has started another post-new normal? Actually, in Indonesia, we are still doing the new normal because back in 2021, our government has stated our first new normal, but things are not really going well. So, the first new normal in 2021 is stopped and continued in 2022 when the COVID-19 cases in Indonesia started drastically decreasing. Okay, so here are some statements that our government has given for Indonesia to start another new normal in 2022.
Since 18 May 2022, President Jokowi has stated that wearing a mask outdoors is now optional, unless there's a large or packed crowd. Also, COVID-19 test is no longer needed for vaccinated international travelers coming to Indonesia. Then, after 2 years, Car Free Day event is being held again. Moreover, concerts are being held again and foreign artists started coming to Indonesia to attend events and for their own concert. Since last May, there's a big event that is held by Alobank. Two of the guests are NCT Dream and Red Velvet, which are groups from South Korea. And they're attending the event by coming from South Korea to Indonesia. Also, the first foreign artist that is already announced their upcoming concert in 2022 in Indonesia is Justin Bieber, followed by The Boys, (G)I-DLE, Westlife, The Script, New Hope Club, etc. Also, there are no sitting distancing in restaurants and MRT, and school and work now can be held 100% offline.
But after we did some research and analyzing the news, after the statements of new normal are being held again, there are some citizens that are happy with that, but also there are some that are feeling anxious and disappointed because they thought that statements are established too fast and they thought it will make another new COVID-19 wave in Indonesia like this news.
So now, do you think if post-new normal is reinstated in Indonesia, it will be a good start for Indonesia after 2 years pandemic? From what we see, of course, if another new normal is reinstated in Indonesia, there are both good and bad impact for us Indonesian citizens and for Indonesia itself. Here are the good impact. The first is we can do much more outdoor activities like we used to do before the coronavirus exists, such as work from the office, offline school, and attending or holding an event. Then Indonesia's economy is getting better. If people start doing activities outside their homes more freely, then public spending will increase. This can directly benefit the retail and transportation sectors. And the third one is the health protocols are not too strict. The COVID-19 pandemic has been going on for a long time, more than 2 years. This condition makes people tired and bored. So with the leeway in the use of masks in open spaces, it makes residents very happy to know about it. And the bad impact is there are still people out there assuming that coronavirus are completely gone and didn't do any health protocols at all. This kind of action will make COVID-19 case in Indonesia increase in no time. This pandemic has been around for too long. So many people think this pandemic problem is a trivial matter. Therefore, socialization about the importance of wearing masks and washing hands with soap is very necessary to increase the awareness of citizens against this virus.
And what are we doing to keep doing the new normal things for our own good? But at the same time, we are going to still minimizing the coronavirus? Of course, it's by keep awareness from ourselves. Please keep that in our mind. It's all started from ourselves. Also by keep doing health protocols in public place, keep the hand washing facilities useful and providing hand sanitizer in public place such as school or office, keep ensuring availability of masks, tissues, and closet trash bin, keep bringing our own cutlery and praying clothes, not doing too much physical contact with anyone and anything, and the last, must receive every new vaccine.
Okay, so that is our presentation about 2022 post-new normal in Indonesia. We hope we still can manage our cleanliness in this another new normal era, so the COVID-19 cases are not going to rise again. That's all from us. We are apologizing if there are some wrong words or actions from us, and thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.